You can get it, you can send it to someone. So, use Channelatomy on your app for all different videos and about products and the company, or we have so many on YouTube. So I'm really excited tonight because we have sales master Josie Weber that puts so much attention to detail. When she explains the products, she researches it. She's an incredible digital media person. She goes and creates presentations. So I really am excited David's recording this tonight. So she's going to be doing the marketing plan tonight. So I want you to get the key concepts, and we're going to have a Q&A afterwards or a comment. So I want to think you think about what you like best and what thing you want more information on. All right. So let me introduce Sales Master. Give her a warm welcome to Ms. Josie Weber. Give her a applaud, everyone. Let's hear you. Yay, Josie. I'll
Hello,
turn it over
hello,
to you.
everyone. Good evening. Good evening, US, and good morning, Philippines. And today I'm going to speak about the marketing plan. I will just try to shorten it, and I hope you will get out of this presentation that I will be having. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Did you get it?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, fine. I'll just okay, so I'm going to present to you our Atomy marketing plan. I am Josie Weber, sales master here in the Philippines. I got to know this business because of the products of Atomy, especially the HemoHim. And one thing that I saw in this Atomy is Atomy is rewriting the network marketing history. Usually, we don't like anymore to go into people have wrong notions about network marketing. So, but try to see what Atomy offers, because a well-balanced and righteous compensation plan is the first step in fulfilling everyone's success, because that is the management objective. It's not only me, it's not only those in Korea, but all of us ensures that we will succeed in the business. So these are the features why Atomy is different. Number one, we have the binary system. Number two, when you go into Atomy, when you join Atomy, there is no registration fee, no monthly maintenance fee, and there is no monthly quota. All you have to do is to buy one product every year, and then unlimited accumulation. So the accumulation of the points of your legs doesn't wash out and doesn't reset until you get paid. So number 4, we have infinite levels and unlimited accumulation in our own group. Imagine if you have 10, 20, 50, 100, you can still add it up in your own group because we have infinite levels. And then we are one global marketing. So it's not only that you build the business in your own region, in your own country, but you can do business in all of the countries where Atomy is open. Okay? And then we have the income ceiling. Either you join today, you join last year, or you joined 3 months ago, and you join tomorrow. The incentive that we will be having is the same, and all of us will enjoy the same incentive. Okay, so we have 26 global branches. Of course, the main office is in Korea. We have 27 branches all in all globally, and there is a possibility for you to sponsor people and also to share Atomy in all of these regions. How to be a member of Atomy? Of course, you need a person of reference. That person who invited you to this Zoom meeting, or that person who shared to you about the Atomy products will become your sponsor. And then you are a registered member of Atomy. Then you will have an access to your own website. The Atomy website is so big that everyone has the access of your own office and shopping mall because we have our own one global ID. So you can do everything that you want with in your own website. So being a this business is a consumption business. It is not only selling. Of course, you can sell if you want, but consuming is the main part of the business. You consume and you buy it from your own shopping mall, your own mart, because while shopping, while consuming, you will have an economic gain because you save, and then you will have an income. Because while here in your own mart, you will have the access of the good and premium quality products. Later on, while you share, while you tell others about Atomy, you will get also your commission while you consume. So these are basically the essential products that are available in our own shopping mall. We have the absolute quality and absolute price product. That is the tagline of our chairman. So this is why it is absolute quality, because mostly our products are manufactured by Colmar, B&H, and the research and development is Kyre. And we have awarded products that is available elsewhere. We can get really premium products because it is already these products are awarded. So from being a consumer, as you are satisfied with the products that you are using, then you become an auto consumer. While you share with others, they will also become satisfied and happy with the products that we have. So you become auto consumer, others also become consumer. You build a group. So you do the business, the Atomy business with the binary system. So you become a business member. So it is a win-win situation. While consuming, you are earning. So this is how our commission will be computed. Okay, what is a PV? PV is a point value. In each product that we have a corresponding point value. Every time that we purchase, our system is adding up or accumulating the purchases that we have. We have what we call the personal point value. That is how we that is the points that we get every time that we purchase the products. And then the products that is purchased by our group is that under us is our group point value. So these are some of the products that we usually use every day. So these are the membership level. At first, you become a member. So you accumulate points by starting with 10,000 point value, and then you are satisfied and share with the products, you become an agent. And then after you are an agent, you become a special agent if you have accumulated 700,000 point value. And then you become also a dealer with a 1.5 million point value. And then executive distributor at 2 million point value. So we have these 4 types of commission: general commission, mastership commission, mastership promotion, and then the center commission. And then we have this general commission. This general commission waits until you paired and get the commission. And then we have the commission every week. Here in the Philippines, we get it every Tuesday. In the US, you get it every Friday. But there is a cutoff. From Wednesday to Tuesday, you get your payment on Friday of next week. So this is how we earn the commission. being an agent with 300,000 point value. And then in your binary system, we have the left leg and the right leg. Left leg, if they consume, satisfied, and share with the products and reach up to 300,000 point value, and on your right, you get to have 300,000 point value, then you paired, or we call it we match, and then you get the income of $60. And then these are the levels that you are going to get in your commission. Being an agent, you get $60 when you match. And then if you are special agent, $120, and so on and so forth. And then as I said, there is a income ceiling. In a day, you get only $1,200. So whatever your position is, that is the limit for the month. So let's go to Mastership Bonus. Mastership Bonus, we have a timetable. We have to get in a month, 1 to 15 and 16 to end of the month. So there are 2 times in a month that you get the Mastership Bonus. So there are levels of Mastership. Sales Master, Diamond, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and the highest is the Imperial Master, where all of us wanted to be there. So, but before going to Imperial Master, you become a Sales Master. So the monthly income that you will be having if you continue to challenge, then the monthly income for Sales Master is $2,000, and up to the Imperial Master, $50,000. Okay, for Sales Master, to get to Sales Master, you become a special agent with a 700,000 point value. So in your left and in your right, because we are binary system, you have at least 2.5 billion PV, group PV, and on your right, the same, 2.5 million. For the promotional gifts, you are going to get these products when you get to the Sales Master. Him, the Fame, and then the Evening Care for set. And then for the Diamond Master, Sales Master, 2 Sales Master on your left, and on your right, 2 Sales Master. And then when you challenge, you get to have the cash award, which is plus minus $800, and then the products that you receive during Sales Master. So in each time that you challenge Sharon Rose Master, the position that you have at the present, you have to get 2 of that from your left and to your right in order to get to the next step of mastership. So Sharon Rose Master, you will avail of the cash award and then the overseas travel voucher, which is 3 nights and 4 days. And then to Star Master, the cash award is higher. And of course, the you got to have Sharon Rose Master on your left and on your right. And then you will have overseas travel as well, the voucher. And then for the Royal Master, you'll have Star Masters on your left and on your right, 2 of them. And then you will have a travel voucher, which is a longer period of vacation, 10 nights and 11 days. And bigger cash award as your pocket money, which is $50,000. Okay. And then you have a cash award for the sponsorship activity fee. In case for your group, you have something going on, then that cash award can be used. And then you have a car rental in order for you to use it during your sponsorship activity. And then the Crown Master, the higher the position, the bigger the cash award. And then, of course, the bigger the group PV that is required of you. 2 Royal Masters on your left and 2 Royal Masters on your right. And then you have still the overseas travel for 4, longer vacation, and then the 5,000 per month as a sponsorship activity fee. And then the highest is the Imperial Master, which everyone really likes. Of course, we all want to get there. So the cash award is $1 million. And then you still have the travel ticket, and yet then you still have the full-size vehicle payment. You really have your own car. And then the monthly sponsorship activity is higher. And then you have your own driver and your own secretary paid by the company. And of course, higher group point value. Crown Masters, through Crown Masters on your left and on your right. So initially, we have to start as a Star Master, but look at the rewards of Atomy. When you get promoted in a Success Academy, look at that. It's a mind-blowing activity that everybody is applauding because you have reached that level and you are rewarded of the hard work that you have done. It is our chairman who drives the forklift and brings you the $1 million, okay? And then 1.3 million more or less is your income as you continue to be consistent with the challenge and the promotions. And then you will have to belong in the one of the Atomy Success Club, Auto Sales, Leaders Club, Royals Club, and then the Crown Leaders Club. So this is the most important one. No Imperial Master have reached that level without being in the success system seminars, okay? Because we have this educational system. For me, it is already an investment, free investment, because when you attend, most of it is free, unless you are going to a Success Academy, which you will pay a minimal fee. But attend to this meeting because you cannot be an Imperial Master. Because in this meeting, you will know about the company, you will know about the products, you will know how to get to the Imperial Master because of the marketing plan, and you get to know people who have done to the Imperial Master. These people are the ones who really give an effort in the business. And you will see also people who have the same minds as you, the language that each one of us has in order to build our Atomy system. So it is not only you or your group, but all of the people in your region come together, and we have vision speakers that will help us be motivated to do our Atomy business. So why I want to share Atomy with others, why I want to share the Atomy products, because it is a legit and one of the top global company. As you have seen in the direct selling news, we are one with the others who are in the business for a long period of time. Now, Atomy is just 15 years, but we are already on the top. So the third generation inheritance that Atomy is offering to all of us is one of the things that we can leave as a legacy to our children. And then the convenient shopping platform. This is already the future of shopping. You will get your basic necessity products that you use every day online, even now. So how much is what we are going to do in the future? What is in store for us in the future? Because this one already is so convenient to us. So although it is online, we will get the absolute quality and absolute price essential products. So while we consume, we earn. While you sleep, you earn. So change your mark and shop in your own shopping mall, because something is in store for us in the future, the Aza Mall, Atomy Aza Mall. Now it is in Korea, now it is in Taiwan, and I'm happy that one of my partners in Taiwan is really happy doing shopping in Aza Mall. So I hope you get something out of my presentation, and you will not sleep and think what you will do next with your business. So I am Josie Weber from the Philippines, and I thank you for listening.
Woo! Thank you. Wow. So powerful, so clear. I'm so grateful. You know, Josie, you really paint a global picture, especially you're sitting in the Philippines. We're all in this meeting together. It's morning there for you, it's night for us. And you really painted the global picture. We have our mall, we have a future though, the Aza Mall. That, you
Yes.
know, we talked about some one-day seminars this week. We had Crown Master earning over $400,000, you know, at two of our events here locally. And he was talking about, you know, the future too. I mean, imagine, you know, they're going to have, you know, things like Visa card. If you use a Visa card, you know, like we all do, instead of just getting the points that the Visa company gives you, you know, that does it by much, we're going to get PV. We're going to get PV on everything. So right now, Korea has access to over 50,000 products, and US will too. But right now, there's 15 million members, right, that are consumers around the world. But there's only, you know, 300 or 500 sales masters in the US. So it's wide open, and we're not even at 0.1% yet. So we have so much opportunity. And thank you for those outstanding slides as well. Uh, Fantastic. Osuk, I think on the agenda, we're going to open it up for comments and questions. Is that right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Who's going to be brave enough to make a comment or question? Let's see some hands.
Let me do it first. I want to
Okay.
cut off there, feel that, after me, someone will pop up and then share that. I really, I was like exciting to see her because every time she say, also I'm gonna, present the product presentation and one day seminar in Philippines, couple times already, and then this time she say I'm gonna do the marketing presentation in the one day seminar. So wow, I really want to see that. But last week when Myung Sheldon was a lead there for the that Zoom meeting, and then Joshi Weber was there, and then Myung Sheldon asked her, to show us for the marketing, and then she said yes, and then we just make a plan for she present for the kind of rehearsal. But I really great to see you. You did a fantastic job. And then I think you're going to do the fantastic job in your area too. And then another one I just found out because in Philippines, she showed the marketing plan. We are in here, USA, we are same boat. Nothing different. Even Philippines and even USA, nothing different. That's why she can show us about the marketing. Little bit of a different for the the Philippine way and the US way, like they pay deposit money. Philippines they got the Tuesday. We have to wait for the Friday, 3 days different. That's the different, but everything same boat. Philippines, USA, whole world over there, 57, which is 60 country global. So when I see that, nothing different. So we all in same boat. We can move on for the globally. Let's go. So thank you so much, Josie. You did a great job. You're gonna do the fantastic job in Philippines too. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Wow. Amazing.
Comment or question? Let's see. I'm going to pick on somebody. Let's see. Peggy, what do you want to say about tonight's presentation? Comment or question? Peggy, you there?
Yes.